Rise and grind, back at you with another video with the Pull-Up King. Alright, we back on the 2018 Audi Q3 Premium 2.0 Turbo. We are doing the rear brake pads on it and the rotors. We already did the front. We're gonna go ahead and knock that out. Let's get it.
We have emotion, nigga. We have emotion, we have emotion. Yeah.
Hit with another one.
We have emotion, we have emotion, we have emotion, nigga. Hey, we have emotion, we have emotion, we have emotion, nigga. I swear I'ma ride for this, I'ma grind for this, I did time for this. I swear I was built for this, on guard, my partner got killed for this. Cause we have emotion, we have emotion, we have emotion, nigga. Hey, we have emotion, we have emotion, we have emotion, nigga. I swear I'ma grind for this, I did time for this, I'ma shine for this. I swear I was built for this, on guard, my partner got killed for this. We have emotion, I swear I ain't bragging and boasting.
Wheel off. See what we got. Bolt here. Bolt here. Get the caliper off. Got an electronic brake unit on the back side of it. Alright, we got that off. What you want to do, you want to hold this because this will turn with the nut. And make sure you take those out and lubricate the guide pins, both of them. This tool right here is what you need to get the bracket, the caliper bracket off. And it is a MT14. Got one up top, one at the bottom. Next, you want to hit the rotor, T30. Alright, tap that off with a hammer. Get that free. We got our new rotors. Wipe it down, front and back. New pads. Come with new caliper bolts. Pushing it back like that. Get a little leverage. Push and turn it to the right. And we're going to set that piston back. Make room for the rotors or the new pads. Alright, we got it all the way back. Got those new pads on. Alright, put those new bolts in there. And just like that, we done. Quick, simple brake job. And hit the driver's side, same procedure. Alright, that's gonna be it. Both sides. I hope the video helped out, man. Until next time, the Pull-Up King.